Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So first of all, let's turn our device off. And then to remove battery, what we have to do first is to remove back cover from our device. We can hatch it here. Then we can remove back cover. And now we can see the battery here. And to eject battery, just take it from this side. And that's how you can remove battery from your DUODUOGO J6 Plus. Let's put it back in. Then put cover and turn our device back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.